you said about the virtual shows, but I feel exhibitions are touch and feel. We need to meet people. We need to express our emotions. We need to see their emotions. So for us, it's very important that touch and feel exhibitions are held, and EMO gives this possibility. We have been missing EMO. First time I visited EMO was in 1993, which is good 30 years back. And we have been exhibiting since 2005. We have exhibited in Jimtoff, we have exhibited in shows in USA, in Switzerland, in Thailand, in India. But I feel that EMO is a class apart. Jimtoff comes close by. Otherwise, Timtoss, which is happening next week, we don't go there. Or the Simtoss, yeah.
Korea.
Or the Chinese show, we don't go there.